Good afternoon, Dominic. My name is Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing interest in the beautiful 2019 Hyundai Accent. I believe John Petway, one of our sales managers, just tried reaching out to you. I'm the one who's going to be working with you when you get to the store. Again, my name is Tameron. I got one pulled up here that I'm excited to show you, Dominic. So let's begin. Here in the front, beautiful cascading grille with the LED wraparound headlights. We have the nitrogen-filled tires. Beautiful color on the exterior, Dominic. But check out the interior. A cloth interior throughout the whole vehicle, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the touchscreen. We got a ton of safety and technology features on this vehicle, and of course your cruise control. But Dominic, the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, where we at Tameron double it to 20 years, 200,000 miles, Dominic. Again, my name is Tameron, my cell phone is 703-505-1598. We're here till 8 o'clock tonight. Give me a call. Let me know what time today works best for you. Come on into the dealership, test drive the vehicle, and have us work towards earning your business. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.